Hey colorful weirdos! My name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video, I will be dyeing my hair black. As you can see, I am very active on Instagram and I made a poll if I should dye my hair black, and you said yes. You guys said yes. You voted yes. I didn't expect na mag-yes kayo, but here I am, dyeing my hair black from Btch. So I feel like the black will be purple, super dark purple. It will fade into purple. So let's go. Boom. Ganon. Pak! Ganon! So, for my hair, ang length niya is kind of like mid. Hindi siya mid, hindi siya short. Mid-short. Mid-short length. Okay. So, ganito siya. And then, mullet hair. So, I've done this already kay Coral. 2 tubs yung need ko nun, yung kay Coral. So yeah, if black man to, so 2 tubs of black. I've already opened this one because like I said, always test run, para makita nyo yung result. And my sister will help me kasi sobrang, you know, it's super messy.
I'm actually her brother.
Okay. So I'm gonna do a time lapse. Alam nyo na, if you watch my video, you'll see kung paano ka i-section. Common sense na lang. Charot. Pero yeah, start at the back, work your way up. Section is a must. Let's go. So this is yung black. I feel like hindi siya magba-black because of my base. It's really pink. So yeah, I think it's gonna be like poopy brown. So poopy brown or brown. I will sit this in around 30 to 45 minutes or 1 hour if sinipag ako mag-wait. But if not, I will take this out. So I also want to see what I look like pag naka, you know, normal black Nina hair. So, yeah. You guys, this is the finished look. Base, you know, it really depends sa ano mo. What's this? Sa base mo, mine is like super brown. like light brown, I think, because I think it's my base is pink already, and actually that's faded na. That's faded. Hessonite, rose quartz, and coral. So yeah, I like the final result. It's really nice. See, so yeah, it's kind of like brown. I didn't expect this year na mag-brown ako. But you guys voted for black. I tried it. Actually, this is what I also advise if you want to go back to black or go back to your normal hair kasi your work said so, it's requirements sa school, not blonde, not colored hair. I actually advise a semi-permanent black dye, just like BBC's black dye, because one, it won't ruin your hair. It's just gonna be, for the first time, healthy. Mukhang healthy yung hair ko. I don't know, I can't stop looking at myself. Mukhang, sino to? So, yeah, it really depends on your base. Mine kasi was pink, so it became like reddish, brownish look. Please, if you want to be like have a normal black hair or brown hair, avoid black box dye kasi it will just ruin your hair more. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new